Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name's Richard and I was passing through Portmadoc or Madoc, depending on how you pronounce it, but it is with a G on the end, and I got some feedback off TripAdvisor that Portmadoc was a little run down and tired, and I thought, well, I better go and check it out. Now, when I was about 13 years old, I went away with my parents to Portmadoc in a static caravan for a week, just as a week's break, and took one of my friends of the time, and he still is a friend, Craig Turner. We used to go to school together and we were in the same class at that time, and as two 13-year-olds, maybe 12-year-old, 13-year-old, we spent some time in Portmadoc. And from a motorcycling perspective, if you're in the area of Wales on the west coast of North Wales, you should really take some time and go and visit Portmadoc. It's a beautiful, beautiful little village. And some of the comments I've seen on TripAdvisor where they say it's run down and all that kind of thing, well, you take a look at these videos and see if you think it's run down. I don't think so. I may be wearing rose-tinted glasses from memories of the past when I was here having a great time with my parents and my best buddy of the time. But certainly, I don't see it as being run down or whatever. There's plenty of beautiful cafes, lovely little shops that you would find on the coast, on any harbour coast village. And it's well worth a visit. The beauty about it is it's only 2 minutes, metaphorically, 2 minutes away from Snowdon, the mountain in Wales. It's got the Festiniog Railway. It's got so much going for it. There's plenty of cafes, there's plenty of restaurants, there's plenty of pubs. It's beautiful clean air coming from the west and the north. Everything's perfect for it. Personally, if I'd got the opportunity, I might even consider moving to Portmadoc, because the people are lovely, people are ever so friendly, and it's just a lovely place to be. I'm sure on a cold winter's day it doesn't look as shiny as what I'm presenting here, but still, it's still a beautiful place. So if you're out on the bike, don't forget to visit Portmadoc. It's a beautiful place. Hope you enjoy this video. It's just highlighting what a beautiful harbour village it is, and you can't go wrong, really. Hope you enjoy the video and the scenes, and take it from there. Have a great day. Always be kind. See you very soon. Bye bye. Okay.